This is real-life mind control. A wasp can turn a cockroach into a living zombie. Some parasitoid wasps sting roaches in a way that disrupts normal movement and behavior. Then the wasp can guide the roach to a burrow and lay eggs, so the larvae have a fresh living host. It's not magic, it's precision biology, and it's one of the creepiest examples of one animal using another like a tool. This one flips the script. Male seahorses get pregnant and give birth. In seahorses, the female transfers eggs into the male's brood pouch, then the male carries them, protects them and supplies what they need until they're ready. And when it's time, he delivers. In this world, Dad is the one going into labor. It's one of nature's most dramatic role reversals. This is physics disguised as an animal. Some shrimp shoot by creating a cavitation bubble. Pistol shrimp don't punch, they snap. Their claw closes so fast it creates a cavitation bubble. When that bubble collapses, it makes a shock wave strong enough to stun prey. In some cases, the collapse even produces a tiny flash. Tiny shrimp. Explosive power. Sleeping, but still on duty. A dolphin can sleep with half its brain at a time. Dolphins have to breathe consciously, so they can't fully shut down. Instead, one brain hemisphere rests, while the other stays alert enough to surface for air and watch for danger. Then, they switch sides. It's like running on two processors, one resting, one working. The ocean demands it. This is basically resurrection. Wood frogs can freeze and come back to life. Winter hits and these frogs go into shutdown mode. Parts of their body freeze, their heartbeat can stop, and they look dead. But their cells are protected by natural compounds that reduce damage from ice. Then spring arrives, and they thaw and hop away like nothing happened. If humans could do this, it would be a miracle. Okay, this one is absurd. Wombats poop perfect cubes. Yes, cubes, not pellets, actual little poop bricks, and it's not a joke. Inside a wombat's intestines, different sections absorb water at different rates, shaping the poop into edges. Now here's the genius part. Cubes don't roll. So, when a wombat marks territory on a rock or log, the message stays exactly where it's placed instead of tumbling away. It's gross, but also kind of brilliant. This is gonna blow your mind. An octopus has 3 hearts and one stops beating when it swims. Yep, free. Deida Zietzabad. 3 hearts. 2 send blood to the gills, and 1 sends blood to the rest of the body. But when an octopus jets through the water, that body-pumping heart temporarily stops. Swimming becomes a quick sprint, not a chill cruise. That's why octopuses usually crawl along the seafloor. It's way less exhausting. Only when they really need to escape do they switch to jetting, burning lots of energy in a short burst. So next time you picture an octopus gracefully gliding, remember it's choosing efficiency over speed, unless it's running for its life. Nature's got weird hacks. 3 hearts is one of the coolest. This feels like science fiction. The immortal jellyfish can revert to being young again. Under stress, injury, starvation, bad conditions, this jellyfish can do something that sounds impossible. It can reset its life cycle. Instead of dying, it can revert from an adult stage back into an earlier stage and start over. It's not invincible in every scenario, but the concept is wild. A creature with a biological restart button. Don't let the cuteness fool you. Male platypuses are venomous. Male platypuses have ankle spurs that can inject venom, and it's not mild. The pain can be severe, and it's enough to make predators back off fast. So that weird duck-beaver mammal, it's also carrying a built-in weapon. Nature really stacked the deck on this one. This one messes with your head. Koalas have fingerprints very similar to humans. If you saw a koala fingerprint without context, you might think it came from a person. Their ridge patterns can look eerily human, and koalas aren't even primates, they're marsupials. It's one of those evolution moments where totally different animals land on similar solutions for gripping and climbing. Warning, nature gets uncomfortable. Female spotted hyenas give birth through a penis-like clitoris. This sounds made up, but it's real anatomy. Female spotted hyenas have an enlarged clitoris that functions in mating and birth, which makes giving birth unusually difficult, especially the first time. It's a brutal design for an animal that's otherwise built like a powerhouse. And the wildest part? The clan still runs like a fearless, disciplined unit. Deep-sea biology is unhinged. Some deep-sea anglerfish males permanently fuse to the female. In the deep ocean, meeting a mate can be nearly impossible, so some male anglerfish take an extreme shortcut. When he finds a female, he bites her, and his body gradually merges with hers. Over time, he becomes a permanent attachment that provides sperm whenever needed. Not romance, survival logistics. Tiny creature, big weapon. Bombardier beetles fire a boiling chemical spray from their backside. When something tries to eat them, they don't run, they fire. They store chemicals separately, then mix them in a reaction chamber and blast the result out as a hot, irritating spray. And they can fire in rapid bursts. It's like nature engineered a mini chemical cannon into a beetle. Creepy, but also kind of sweet. Vampire bats adopt friends by sharing regurgitated blood. Vampire bats can starve after just a couple nights without food, so when one fails to feed, others sometimes help by regurgitating blood to share a meal. And it's not random charity. They remember who helped them before. It's a dark little survival economy built on friendship and favors. This sounds wrong, but it's true. Elephants can't jump. They can run, they can charge, they can move faster than you want to deal with, but an elephant can't do a true jump where all 4 feet leave the ground. Their anatomy is built for stability and support, not springing into the air. Power doesn't always mean agility. You're not seeing what they see. Mantis shrimp don't just see colors, they see polarized light too. Humans see a slice of reality. Mantis shrimp see extra layers. They can detect polarized light, signals your eyes completely miss. So the ocean is filled with hidden patterns that might be invisible to you, but pop like billboards to them. It's like you're watching standard definition reality, and they're in advanced mode. This one is oddly beautiful. Octopus blood is blue. Most animals use iron to carry oxygen in blood. Octopuses use copper. That copper-based protein can look blue when oxygenated. It's not just a fun fact, it's an adaptation for cold, low-oxygen ocean environments. Their chemistry is literally tuned for the deep. This changes how you think about brains. An octopus has most of its neurons in its arms. Octopus arms aren't just muscles, they're thinking tools. A huge chunk of their neurons live in the arms, so each arm can process information and react with surprising independence. That's why they can explore and manipulate objects like 8 separate problem solvers. It's less one brain controlling 8 limbs, and more 8 smart limbs reporting back. This one hits you emotionally. Octopus moms can starve themselves to protect their eggs. After laying eggs, many octopus mothers go full guardian mode. They clean the eggs, fan them with fresh water, and protect them non-stop, often refusing to eat at all. The eggs hatch, and soon after, she dies. It's one of the most extreme examples of parental sacrifice in nature, beautiful and brutal at the same time. This looks like special effects. Cuttlefish can hypnotize prey with flashing patterns. Cuttlefish skin is like a living display screen. They can flash waves of color and pattern to confuse prey and mask their approach. It's camouflage mixed with psychological warfare. One moment, they blend into sand. The next, they're a moving light show. And then, the strike happens. Nature just hacked photosynthesis. Some sea slugs steal chloroplasts from algae. Imagine eating something and stealing its solar panels. Some sea slugs do exactly that. They consume algae and keep the chloroplasts, using them for a while to capture energy from sunlight. They don't become full plants, but they do borrow plant power. That's one of the strangest upgrades in the animal world. This is the grossest way to eat. Starfish can push their stomach out of their body to eat. Starfish don't always eat from the inside. They can avert their stomach, push it outside their body, into prey like clams, digest the food externally, then pull the stomach back in. If you can't open the shell, you digest it from the outside. It's disgusting. It's genius. This defense move is unbelievable. Sea cucumbers can eject their guts as a defense. When attacked, some sea cucumbers can expel internal organs or sticky structures to distract predators. It's basically, drop decoy parts, then escape. And here's the insane part. They can regenerate what they lose. It's the ultimate trade. Sacrifice now, rebuild later. This one is nightmare fuel. Hagfish can produce slime so fast it can choke predators. Hagfish look like eels from a horror movie, and their defense is worse. When threatened, they release mucus and fibers that expand massively in water into thick slime. Predators can panic because it can clog their gills. In seconds, the ocean becomes snot, and the hagfish slips away. You'll never look at snails the same. A snail can have thousands of teeth. Snails look soft and harmless until you learn what's in their mouth. Many have a radula, a ribbon-like tongue covered in tiny teeth used to scrape food. Not a few teeth, sometimes thousands. It's basically a microscopic cheese grater built into their face.